Good morning, everybody. I'm over here in front of Budget Transmissions here in Albuquerque. I just checked in my van. That's where you see it right now. And I have to get it fixed right now. I'm in front of all these dealerships here because apparently Budget Transmissions is right in the middle of Auto Dealers Row here, I guess. Just like any city in the world. I walked down the street because the bus stop that I was waiting at is surrounded by crazy. There's this crazy woman over there yelling, and then her stuff was over at the station or at the little bench, and it smelled so bad. Like really bad. From a distance bad. But it's funny, now I see a cop over there. There's a cop down the street, right by the bus stop there on the right side of the road. That's how my morning's starting out. I'm kind of nervous today because Budget Transmissions has my home. I am now homeless. I'm waiting for a call from them later on, and then possibly everything will be okay. On the flip side, everything won't be okay, and then the future is unknown at that point. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to head downtown on a bus. I'm going to look up and see how much it is and explore downtown Albuquerque on foot. As I come up to Sunwest Silver here, I saw that they have some sculptures here, right over here. Well, this one kind of looks like a transformer made out of engine parts here. It's pretty friggin' cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And we have another one right here. Those sculptures are pretty intimidating, if I must say so myself. So odd to be exploring downtown Albuquerque 9 o'clock in the morning on a Monday, but I had nothing else to do while the car is getting checked. I've been looking around downtown, and on this strip here appears to be some kind of event space there. Doesn't look like anything's happening. And also down a little further is a movie theater, it looks like. My mistake, it's the El Rey Theater. I remember this. This is actually a music venue here in Albuquerque. So that's pretty interesting. And then here is Launchpad. I just see a bunch of posters. They might be a marketing company, possibly. I don't know. And then next to that is New Mexico Holocaust Museum for education or something or other. And that just looks a little bleak for a Monday. Here's a fun fact. I just realized the street that El Rey Theater is on and where I'm standing right now is actually Route 66. Little fun fact there. See, up there it says East 66 when I'm facing that way. So that would be going the wrong way for me. So if I turned around and walked the other direction, maybe I'd end up in Las Vegas in a couple of weeks or even LA. And I could say like Albuquerque downtown on Central Ave kind of feels like every downtown. It's kind of generic. There's nothing that makes me go, ooh, that's really interesting. Funny thing is, I'm wondering, there's a tattoo studio across the street there. I'm wondering if I have to be here on Friday the 13th, and if I could get a 13 tattoo for $13 on the 13th. Never heard of the New York Pizza Department. And I wonder if they're actually any good.
Across the street, there's a sign for Neon Park coming soon.
Pie with a picture
and you can see a couple signs there.
That doesn't sound too terrible.
Motel sign for Roadrunner Hotel, RV Park.
Albuquerque has some weird liquor laws out here. Like they can't sell after 11 o'clock. And in the mornings, I don't think they could sell until 11 in the morning, but bars don't open until like 4 p.m. I'm in front of the Sunshine Theater right now, and this is pretty crazy because Winger is playing November. The Circle Jerks are actually playing Halloween area, you know, like the 27th, which is pretty cool. Helmet is even playing. Oh my God. And like Tech 9. This is hysterical. Looking at the posters next door, even Dawkins is playing. Ministry's playing. Oh, I didn't even see that with Helmet. Yeah, I just passed by too quickly. I guess this place does get some pretty cool people. And Gwar is coming November 18th, I see. There are a lot of bars and nightclubs on Century here. You know, it's kind of cool in a way, but during the day, it's kind of bleak. This caught my eye right here. Mundo Magico. I don't know what language that is, you know. Is it Mundo Magico? Told by a couple people, if I was gonna park on BLM property while I'm out here, be careful to stay away from the Indian lands. Because apparently the Indians are offended if we park there with our vans. Starbucks right here. I wonder if they're open. Wah, wah. Over here they have Al Hurricane Pavilion, which looks like a huge performance space here. Lots of area to do some event. And also a giant Adirondack chair there. It's just in a place with a lot of large things. One step out of downtown and starts to look like this. It's really weird. Downtown is pretty small in Albuquerque. It's only a couple blocks, but just kind of weird. It becomes like kind of industrial-like and then goes out to rural areas after that. Well, apparently this McDonald's here on Lomas in Albuquerque, the dining room is closed. Drive-through only or takeout. Feel like we're the start of the new pandemic or something like that. This is ridiculous because the temperature outside gets up to 95 degrees today. And with the pandemic, if you have to eat outside, you're gonna friggin' freak out. And made it to the Starbucks. And you gotta look like this. Starbucks does not give you the sugars with it. You can't go to the sugar counter anymore. Pandemic style here in Albuquerque. It's funny, I was just waiting for the bus to go near my car, but there's nothing up there. So I'm walking towards downtown again. I think I'm gonna go to the library and wait there for a while. This is a heck of a sculpture piece right here. It's on the corner of Lomas near 1st Street, I guess. I was walking out of the library and I saw this as I walked out. What a cool piece. In this building somewhere is this telephone exhibit I would like to see, but I missed it. Oh, I just got here to Budget Transmissions. What a good reputation they have. I actually just got my van out. It's right behind me right there. The owner and, you know, I guess the employee and stuff, they drove it around. They said that clunk I hear is their rear differential. It should be fine to drive. Nothing wrong with the transmission. So take it to LA, and on my way back, I'll come here and they'll replace the differential. But right now, they released my van for free. So thank you very much, Budget. I am gonna give you a great review. And here it is right now. You're awesome. What's up, everybody? I'm sitting here at the park again. I drove my van over here and it drove okay. Hopefully it'll go on a long distance because I'm gonna drive it to all the way to LA from here. I'm gonna meet people on Wednesday night for a drink up meeting, and then I'll sleep in my van in LA. I'm kind of happy about that. So, just hanging out here doing some work, and then I'm gonna go sleep at the TA again, and then tomorrow morning I'll leave. I got some low LEDs right now running on the wall, but I'm cooking some sausages on my propane grill, and then I just took out the buns. Background here, I'm watching a movie, but I wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. I'll have another one tomorrow, I'm sure. If you're new to my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, please give it a like. And then you could always comment if you have any questions for me. Thank you so much for watching.